Hello everyone, this is Silam. Today I will be showing you how to change the oil on AUDI Q7. This will apply to model from 2017 up to 2020, I believe. I was gonna jack up the car, but I figured out that I might not need to do that. The one good thing about SUVs is it's easy to get access to the bottom. So I will just get on the floor and start removing the underbody panel. The underbody panel is held by two types of screw. One is a flat. We will be using a flat, and we will also be using a T25, I believe. So most of the front screws are flat screws, and the back are the T25. So let's get to it. We will start by removing the front screw here. That's a flat one. All right, guys, after removing all the screws, flat and T25, we can finally get to the oil pan here. The oil pan, we will unscrew this. It looks like a T30. I'm not sure. I will double check in a second. We will unscrew this to let the oil out. All right, guys, it looks like the drain plug is held by T40 to remove the oil drain plug. So we will remove it and put a pen under the the oil container under the pen and to let the oil drain. All right, guys, we got the container ready. Now we are going to unscrew the drain plug, and then let the oil drain out. Yeah. Before you do this, make sure the pen is not hot, so you don't burn yourself. So I will start unscrewing this thing, and all right, start turning. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Start coming out now. So while the oil is draining at the bottom, we can come up here to try to remove the oil filter. The oil filter is buried at the bottom here. Let me see if I can show you. There you go. You see it? Yeah. That's the top, the cap of the filter. So I think it's possible to gain access to it without removing this panel, but we don't want to be dropping anything there. So we will just go ahead and remove this panel. To remove this panel, we have to unclip here with a flat screwdriver.